Hello, my name is Sana, and I'm the co founder and CEO of Vibration Mentor. And I'm honored to do this testimonial because High Level has completely changed my life as an entrepreneur. So, before High Level came into my life, I was very stressed about customer fulfillment, the customer journey, how that would be, and was it up to the standard that I wanted? um, Follow-ups, leads, marketing, both organic and paid, and then not to mention like how do I have a community and all these other things. Because I wanted to offer the world so many different things from my business, and everything felt like it'd be a huge task. And then as I started to dive into High Level, which yes, there is a learning curve, but when you take a product that's so powerful with 600 plus features, it is absolutely worth it. So, what's happened since then? Everything's shifted. One, all the workshops are incredible. They bring wonderful speakers, not to mention the high level team is so amazing because they bring to you real life scenarios and experiences that their customers have had, like us. And then what I take away in those 3 hours to 6 hours a week in the workshops is life changing. It's nothing short of a miracle because they bring the best people to teach us things that would save me months, if not years worth of effort learning myself. So I highly recommend this to anyone. It will change your life, it will change your customers' lives. And I feel like I have 10 people working for me with this tool. It's incredible, it's precise, and you can't beat the customer service. Anyway, I hope this helps you, and ask me more questions and find me if you want to know more.